Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Filecoin. And absolutely, this video is special message for all Filecoin holders. But before starting this video, please, I request everybody to please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Filecoin holders, wake up in the market. Now it's time to make a profit. So wake up. Now my friends, the latest update about Filecoin is that 51.45 USD dollar is the latest price of the Filecoin in the market. In other side, if you look the price changes over in the Filecoin, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative. The last 1 day, the last 1 week changes over in the Filecoin is positive. You can see here, and furthermore, the changes over in the region is completely going complicated. No one can understand it. What should we do in this critical situation? But personally, I recommend for everybody that please hold, never decide to sell. I hope they give you profit, not loss. So just hold it. Just hold it. And you know what? The special message for all Filecoin holders is also that please buy more and more Filecoin. You know what? It is the beginning of a new month. It is the beginning of August. So possibility that price will pump and they will give you profit. That's why I recommend for everybody that please buy now more and more Filecoin. And you know what? Remember that also, that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, seek, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.